Okay, here's a second example of simplifying, and this time we've got three different algebraic terms which we are multiplying together. Now, multiplying algebraic terms is actually much easier than adding because we don't have to worry about like terms. All we do, we just multiply all the numbers together and multiply all the letters together, and I'll show you what I mean. So, basically, we can see that this expression is made up of three terms, 2x squared y cubed multiplied by 5xy multiplied by 3xy squared. So just for argument's sake, let me now just firstly expand all this and break this, expand this so that we can actually see what each of those terms really means. So we could rewrite this if we wanted to as 2. Now remember, x squared means x times x. It means x multiplied by itself. And then multiplied by y cubed, that would be y times y times y. Remember, in algebra, we do not need the multiplication sign. Two letters together means times. We'll multiply that by 5x, y. And I'm using the multiplication sign here just to separate the terms. And the third term here is 3 times x times y squared, which would be y times y. So if I wanted to now combine these terms, all I need to do is identify the numbers and the letters. So we can see firstly the numbers here. There's a 2 multiplied by a 5 multiplied by a 3. So I can rewrite this simply as 2 times 5 times 3. Now I just need to find all my x's. So I've got x times x multiplied by x multiplied by another x. So there's actually 4 x's being multiplied. So we'd multiply that by x times x times x times x. And then finally, actually I'll choose perhaps that color. Finally, we've got, actually that's not the color I want, I want this color. There we go. We've got y times y times y times y times y times y. So it's times y times y times y times y times y and times y. I can't quite fit it in, never mind. Okay, so let's just put all this together and simplify. So it's going to be 2 times 5 is 10 and 10 times 3 is 30. So it's going to be 30 times x times x times x times x. Well, that's x multiplied by itself 4 times. That's x to the power of 4. Then y times y times y times y times y times y, that's y to the power of 6. So there's our simplified expression, okay? Now you might notice that we've used something called the index laws, or you could use the index laws to make this really quick for you. You should have done index laws in previous maths classes, but that will be something we will come across very soon to help you, okay? We'll do one more example, and that'll be in our third screencast. Thank you.